I'm Danielle. I'm a sex and relationship coach and one of the founders of the Somatica Institute. And today I want to talk with you about bodies. So many people come to me feeling that their body is not right. And if you look at social messages or you look at how we are bombarded by the media and by social media, there's no way that we're going to feel that our body's right. I grew up with a lot of pain around my body. I got a lot of negative messages around how I looked. But through doing this work, what I really found was that loving myself and loving my body just the way I am and feeling like I deserve pleasure and connection. In Somatica, we created this new specialization around body image, really helping you to connect with your body, really look at sexuality and see how when you feel pleasure, you experience yourself differently. If you want to hear more, join us for a Q&A. You can find us at somaticainstitute.com.